Welcome to our room tour at the Janu Tokyo. It honestly ended up being one of my favorite hotels ever, not even just on this Japan trip. I also, disclaimer, did not realize that my camera was set to slow motion, so I don't have any audio from this footage, but it honestly kind of worked out because it gives the video a really cinematic, relaxed feel and pace, which honestly matches the vibe of the Janu perfectly. This was our living room area. There was a full desk setup, a couch, a bar, a dining table, and a patio overlooking Tokyo. Having this much space in Tokyo felt so luxurious. The room just felt very calm and expansive, which is really a rarity in Tokyo. I also really appreciated how thoughtfully designed the room was. My boyfriend wakes up a lot earlier than I do, and he also tends to nap throughout the day, so there's often one person sleeping while the other is up and about. And in a lot of hotel rooms, it's actually really hard to do that without waking up the person who's trying to sleep. But this room had doors for every section, and the room divisions made it so easy for one person to be up and doing whatever without disturbing the person who was sleeping. The bathroom had a double vanity, separate toilet and shower, and we had a ton of closet and wardrobe space. I loved how everything had its own door. It just made the room feel much more homey and private instead of just one large open room like a lot of hotel rooms tend to be. We had another balcony off of the bedroom, which added even more light and made the room feel even bigger. The Janu is located in Azabudai. I apologize for completely butchering that, but it became one of our favorite neighborhoods out of all the places that we stayed. It's a newer upscale area with designer stores, amazing restaurants, cafes, and just really beautiful and well-designed streets. Everything felt super clean, modern, and extremely aesthetic. It's more of a commercial district, so there are office buildings mixed in with luxury shopping and dining. There's also a huge shopping complex directly connected to the building, which had even more dining options and cafes, so we were honestly spoiled for choice. There were so many good options, and very importantly, there was a 7-Eleven right down the street, which made nightly convenience store runs super easy. We always stopped by 7-Eleven to grab snacks and dessert every night before bed. The Janu is a sister hotel chain to the Aman. It's meant to cater towards a slightly younger audience, and it's more lifestyle focused with a huge emphasis on wellness. The lobby of the Janu is stunning. It's definitely a very different vibe from the Aman, which is iconic. The Aman was very quiet, extremely quiet, whereas the Janu lobby felt a bit more lively. We also got incredible views of the Tokyo Tower. There were 8 restaurants and cafes on the property featuring Japanese, Chinese, Italian, a steakhouse. There was a bar and a patisserie and cafe. The amount of dining options in the hotel alone were super impressive. For breakfast, they offer traditional Japanese or Western-style continental breakfasts. And the amenities were honestly next level. There was a massive pool, a sauna and steam room, the best hotel gym I've ever seen in my entire life. A boxing gym. I have never seen a boxing gym within a hotel. They also had Pilates studio, private training studios, and a golf simulator. It honestly felt like you could spend days on the property, never leaving the hotel, and you would never get bored. They also have a house car that offers complimentary rides within Tokyo, which was honestly super convenient. They had the most beautiful high tea room. I love doing high tea, and it's something that I feel like is a lot more common in Asia. We tried to book this to grab high tea with some of our friends who were also in Japan, but they were fully booked, which is understandable, honestly, because this room also had stunning views of the Tokyo Tower. Overall, I love the Janu. It was easily one of my favorite hotels ever. I love the room design, the neighborhood, and the amenities. They were all truly next level and exceeded expectations.